Hi guys, I'm Sanghati Banerjee and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe, that would mean a lot to me. So as you all know, I have Zico with me, and this little Mr. Zico is always doing something or the other little mischief. So this time he decided to bite the straps of my laptop bag and tear them apart. So now I can't carry them easily with me, and I need to move to Kolkata, Kharagpur literally every week I'm traveling, so I need my laptop with me and it gets very difficult to carry it. So yeah, I was just checking laptop bags online when I came across this brand called Zook, and I was amazed by their collection. Every piece is so beautiful, and literally every piece tells you that it is made in India. Every bag has such a unique Indianness in them, like the prints, the motifs, everything is so Indian. It is a completely made in India brand. It is also a vegan brand of bags. I'm going to show you the bag that I ordered, and I haven't unpacked it yet. I'm going to unbox it with you guys. So let's go, let's unbox the bag and see how the product is in real life. So this is the bag, this is the packaging that it comes in. I am going to unbox it with you guys. Also, I'm going to add a picture of the bag so that you can see how it looks in real life and how it looked on the website. So yeah, I am really excited. Let's see, let's open this bag. This is the bag and I love it so much. This looks so good. Honestly, I can just carry it with my outfits. I can style it so well. This doesn't look like odd laptop bag. This looks so pretty, and it's easy to carry also. Let me open this first. I am honestly in love already. This is so pretty. I can't stop saying that I am in love with this bag. Look at the design. I mean, like, I have nothing to say. It is so traditional yet so modern. It can be styled so well with any of your outfits. Also, it is so spacious. There's a chain at the back. There's a compartment in the front. You can store so much. You can carry so much in this bag. Also, I have to mention the price. It is so affordable, yet you get so much. Also, I forgot to mention that it comes with an extra strap which you can attach to the sides of your bag according to your convenience. Pause the video and let me know in the comments down below what you think about this bag. I'm loving it. So now that we have unboxed the bag, let's just quickly transfer all the stuff from my old bag to this one, and let's start using this. So let me show you the inside of the bag before that. So this is the inside of the bag. It has this one big compartment for the laptop, also these small little compartments where you can keep whatever you want to, these tiny little columns, and then there's this little chain space over here. There's literally so much space in this bag. You can fit in anything in these chains, a little compartment again. So the first thing that goes in, of course, has to be my laptop. I'm sorry I'm doing this with one hand. The camera angle is going to be really bad, but there goes my laptop, and there's still so much space, so many things that I can fit in. So let's quickly add all of the things. So I just quickly changed the camera angle so that I can talk to you while doing this. So yeah, we put in our laptop, and I showed you still there is so much space in this bag. So the next thing that goes in is my journal, and if you guys have watched my vision board video, you will know that this is my 2022 planner, 2022 journal. So this is what goes in my bag, very important. So yeah, that is the next thing. And now that I have my journal in, I'll need some pens. So the next thing that goes in are the pens. I'll keep them in these small little pouches. So my journal and my pens are in. The next thing, a very essential thing, that is my specs. I usually wear them, or you wear a lens, so I carry an extra pair so that You never know, you might need them anytime. So I have my specs over here. Next thing, you can't go out without a mask nowadays, the new normal. So we have a mask. Here's this little pouch which has my cards, my ID cards and some cash. So that is a very important thing. Talking about this, I realized that this is not in the best condition. So just to let you guys know, Zouk also has some amazing wallet collections. Do check them out. They have wallets, tote bags, laptop bags, sling bags, whatnot, and every piece is so trendy, so pretty. So definitely go check their website out. The link will be in the description box down below. And yeah, so let's move on to the next thing. Next is this little sanitizer. Again, new normal, you have to, after in these times, you have to carry a sanitizer with you, very important. And then there's my AirPods. And how can I forget my iPad? What will I do with the AirPods if I don't have my iPad? So my iPad also goes in there. Guys, trust me, there's so much space in this. I'm surprised. I am impressed by this. Very much. I can carry so many things. It just made my life so easy. Next thing is chocolates. I always like to munch on something, especially when I'm traveling. So I always look for a little piece of chocolate or something in my bag, and I always have one. So yeah, this is a new one that I kept in my bag. So now we have this chain is full. Now we have this one. It's not full actually, you can still fit in a few things, but I won't clutter it. So the next very important things which I forgot is my laptop's charger. The laptop is in, but the charger is not. So we have this little pouch in the front. So I added my laptop charger, phone charger, iPad charger. We are done. It is so spacious, guys. Honestly, you can see how spacious it is. I've added so many things, still it has more space. You can add even more things into it. I love this bag. I honestly do. It is, I'm not even exaggerating, it is so good. So that was it for the video. I loved the bag. I honestly love the bag. I hope you guys did too. If you did, do check out their website. The link is in the description box down below. I have added their Instagram link, their website link, also their YouTube page link. Do check them out. And of course, if you want to buy anything from them, do not forget to use my code, which I'm gonna put up right here. Also, it will be in the description box down below. The code is YTSanghati15. Please do use that code when you order, so that you can get an extra discount for your orders. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did so, you know the drill. Like this video, share it with your friends and family. Comment down below what you thought about it and what next would you like to see on my channel. And please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll meet you again next week with my another new video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye.